Hey friends, in this video we're going to learn some of the most important Linux commands for working with files. Cat, grep, find, awk, and sed. These tools are like Swiss Army knife of Linux. Once you know them, you can search, filter, and transform files like a pro. My terminal, and here we'll start with the cat command, which is used to view files. So before this demonstration, I'll show you two methods by which we can create a file and also write a content inside it. So the first method we saw was touch command. So we'll write touch, the file name, and the extension. So we can list it, and here we can see file1.txt has been created. Next is using cat. So cat is short for concatenation. So using cat command, we can type cat greater than sign file2.txt and we'll hit enter. So here we can see the cursor is at the bottom. So here we can start typing the content inside it. I'll type hello here. And to save this file, you can hit Ctrl D and the file is saved. And you can just list it and see file1.txt and 2.txt have been created. So if you need to check the contents inside file1.txt, what you can do is you can type cat file1.txt. Here we created it using the touch command, so it won't have any content inside it. So here we don't get any output. Next we can do cat file2.txt. And when we hit enter, we can see the content inside it that we typed earlier. So cat command is used to show the contents of the file. Next we can do cat file1.txt space file2.txt. So if we run this command, what it will do is it will combine both the files and then print the output. So I'll hit enter. Here we can see file 1 was empty and file 2 had hello in it. So it only printed hello. Next is cat -n and then the file name. This adds a line to the numbers. So if I hit enter, you can, okay, I will take a different example. Cat -n file2.txt. We can see line 1 is numbered as 1. So think of cat as your quick way to peek inside the file. Next up is grep. It is used for search inside files. So grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. This command searches inside files for specific word or pattern. So the command goes like grep hello and the file name. So when I hit enter, it will search the word for me in file2.txt. The next command is grep-i hello in smaller case and the file name. So when I hit enter, it will still give me hello because we've used -i that is used for cases where we need to search for insensitive case searches. So the next step is grep-r error /var/log. So when I enter, these are the things that I will get. So these are recursively searched for error in log files. So use grep whenever you need to find something fast inside large files. Now let's look at find. It is used to locate files in your system. It helps you search your system for files and folders. So the command is find dot -name and the file name. So when I hit enter, it will show me that file1.txt is in the root directory. Next is find /home -type d -name, and then I'll name something like desktop. So what this command will do, it will find directories named desktop. So when I hit enter, it will show me where the desktop is present. So it is present in VBox user, that is present on the home. Next, we have find dot size plus 10m. So this finds files larger than 10 MB. So when I hit enter, I'll get all the files that are larger than 10 MB. So with find, you'll never lose a file again. Next is AWK. It is to process columns. So it's used for working with structured text, especially files with columns. So currently we don't have enough data inside our files like in the form of columns. So what I'll do is I'll type the command, but I'll not execute it. So it is awk apostrophe curly braces print $1. I'll close it and I'll type file1.txt. So what this will do, it prints the first column. Next we have awk print 1 comma $3. I close it, then I have apostrophe again, and then I have file 1.txt. So what this will do is it will print first and third column. Next we have awk apostrophe slash error slash print $again 2 apostrophe and then the file name. So this prints the second column only for lines containing error. Think of AWK as your go-to for extracting data and formatting it. Finally, we have SED. SED stands for Stream Editor. It is used to find and replace inside files. So we'll type SED apostrophe S old slash new apostrophe and then the file name. So what this will do is it will replace the first old with new in each line. Then we have SED slash old slash new slash G apostrophe and then the file name. So this replaces all occurrences of old. Then we have SED hyphen N apostrophe 1 comma 5p apostrophe and the file name. So this prints only lines from 1 to 5. So with SED, you can edit files without even opening them. So to sum it up, cat is used to view files, grep is used to search text, find is used to locate files, awk processes columns, and SED edits text. Mastering these commands will make your life easier, and don't just watch them, try them out. If this video helped you, hit a like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.